Hi guys, welcome back to Farm and Fun, and today on the channel currently on a farm machinery auction. As you can hear the noise in the background, just a couple of bits of machinery at the bottom here. So yeah, there's some trailers, so there's nice trailers as well. As you can see, there's a nice Chieftain trailer there. Not very good conditions on it, but still good. You can see all the men over there who are bidding for tractors. I'll be slowly trying to cook here. I'm currently off in between the trailer here and all, so yeah, trailer here. Yeah. If any of you guys are here, please put it down in the comments. There's currently a dump spreader here as well, and beside the Abbey slurry tanker. So there is machines for bogs and all here. Men looking about at this, big trucks and that. There's nice cane trailers here. Nice Coverland mower, nice cane trailer. More cane trailers. There's good machinery, nice cane trailer there. That looks to be brand new. More mowers. So there's nice mowers here. So there's Crone mower. Lamborghini tractor. Not talking about a real Lambo, but it's a fake one. 699 here. John Deere. Another Valtra helmet. And a nice John Deere propeller. Yeah. So there is. You can see it here. Okay guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.